Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. Let's start with the dollar index. Earlier, we were seeing some bit of weakness, but now, overall, if you go to see, clearly that bullish momentum has come back. What are the levels we should be tracking? Because that's something which is putting pressure on gold and silver.
Yeah, so if you see what is happening with the dollar index right now, the dollar index is strengthening. I have been telling everyone and recommending everyone to remain short on the dollar index, and that is what precisely is happening. Dollar index is strengthening quite sharply. It's trading at 90.90. So I think the 90, 120, 90, 130 are kind of levels which we can expect in a day or two, and hence all commodities are broadly remaining under pressure.
Right. So, what would your advice be right now with gold and silver?
Yeah, so some bit of upside, and today morning we already booked a profit. So I think 200 rupees upside in gold from here, and another 300 rupees upside in silver. Go short. I think they are going to go down mainly because of the strength in dollar index. So gold on Comex can test 18-20 dollars, silver can test 24.70 on Comex. So both I'm recommending to remain short. Silver 64,500 are kind of levels which you can see on MCX, and for gold I would say 48,500 are kind of levels which you will see in evening session.
Right, so that's with regards to where gold and silver goes. Moving from there on, if you see in terms of where crude oil is concerned, clearly, if you go to see, we are seeing some bit of pressure that did come in today's session. Uh, what would your view be? Because the lower supplies expectation probably could still keep the downside limited, according to me. What do you think?
So crude oil is up right now mainly on two news. One news is that the U.S. president, is going to disallow the construction of Keystone pipeline. So that is going to lead to some bit of bullish strength in crude oil, and hence oil is risen right now. But I'm expecting oil to go down. I'm bearish on oil. 38.40, 38.50, one can go short, and one can expect levels of 37.80 to 37.70 in evening session, and the trend is definitely seems to be weak today. US markets are closed on account of Martin Luther King holiday, but I think we will see downside. So 10 rupees upside from here, and you should short. Keep a strict stop loss of 38.80, and target should be around 37.50.
Right. And with base metals, Kunal, because we you had the China GDP number that did come in, and after that number, you did see an up move that did come in terms of base metals. So, are you expecting that up move to continue, or do you think it will be sideways?
No, I think you have to understand when the dollar is strengthening, the broader commodity doesn't do well. So copper, we have given a buy call at morning, targets achieved 6, again 612, 614. These are the levels to short copper. Nickel, one should short around 1325. For both, copper should test again 605, nickel should test 1300 rupees to 1290 rupees in today evening or tomorrow session. So sell on rallies. Zinc you can short around 214.50. Expect it to go down till 210 to 211 rupees. Even lead looks weak. 166 good levels to go short. One can expect lead to test 164. So be on a selling side in commodities. They are going to witness profit taking. It doesn't make sense to go long in them.
Right. And Kunal, there's one question coming in right now with regards to where gold goes. Should we buy gold at this level or wait?
I think wait. I have been maintaining the bearish view in commodities from last almost 1.5 week, and I continue to do that. And I think one should wait. For intraday bounce. We've given a call, but not for positional. Still wait. Still looks weak.
Right. And you've already given the copper intraday view levels. So I think that was the second question.
Copper 612 you can go short. I'll tell zinc and copper both level. 612 you can go short. Put a stop loss around 615.50 and expect it to go down till 607 and 605. Zinc, same Anup around 214 you can short. Expect it to go down till level of 210 and put a strict stop loss of 216 for zinc. And there is a question from natural gas. Generally, natural gas, I'm not having any firm view right now, so I will not give any recommendation. I will look at the fundamental and weather I have not seen, so I will let you know in the group, Mohammed Yamin. So I will let you know by next 1 hour in the group.
Right. All right, Kunal. Thank you so much for answering the queries and thank you everyone for joining in.